Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my car cleaning and organizing, and I'm also going to be sharing some helpful tips and tricks along the way. I hope that you guys get some motivation and get some ideas to clean out your own car and organize it. I've been meaning to do this video for a while now, so I figured what better day than today. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm just in the parking lot about to run into Dollar Tree to pick up a few more things that I need for this video. So I just wanted to give a little intro and show you guys my face and say hello. I hope everybody's doing well. So without further ado, I'm going to run in here, get the stuff that I need. Hopefully they have it, and let's just jump right on into the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a DIY natural interior car cleaner that I've been using, and it's great. It smells nice. So what you're going to need is an old spray bottle, a tablespoon of Dawn dish detergent, a tablespoon of baby oil, a tablespoon of white vinegar, and a cup of warm water. So you're just going to start by putting the water in. Doesn't have to be exact. So this goes in. And as you know, vinegar works for everything. One. And then finally the baby oil. So basically that's it. And then you're going to just want to shake it up a little bit. And it is ready to use. Basically that is it, and it works so well in the car. I highly recommend this. I will put it up on the screen so you can have the ingredients to use and make it yourself. Okay, so here is another DIY that I'm going to show you. It's for a car freshener. It keeps the car so nice and fresh. It's not overpowering. This, I promise you, is going to last long. All you're going to need is a little sachet pouch. You can get these anywhere, I think at Dollar Tree. And you're going to fill it with the scent beads for the laundry. These are just the BJ's brand. These smell really good. So you're just going to want to fill this up. It's like a capsule. And that is it. Make sure you tie it. And then you're going to put it, obviously, away from children or pets. But you can put it underneath the seat. So that's it. And it smells so good. It's going to make your car smell so nice. You can even put it in your house to make the house smell nice. And it's very long lasting. So here is the before, and I'm just going to go ahead and take everything out of the car that's on the seats and on the floor so I can start cleaning the mats and then vacuuming the inside of the car. So as you can see, it is messy, but it's not terribly bad because I have been making it a point lately to clean it at least once a week. Here is some stuff that I picked up from Target, which I will get to a little later on in the video. And these bins are from the Target Dollar Spot. They were only $3 and they worked out perfectly for the idea that I had for the back in my trunk. So I'm just gonna start, like I said, taking those mats out. I'm gonna give them a good vacuuming, and then I'm going to wash off the rubber mats that go on top, and then I will continue on with the rest of the car. The items that I found are either from Dollar Tree or Target Dollar Spot. This particular container is from the Dollar Tree, and it worked out perfectly to put that change in because you always need to keep some change in your car, as well as these little white baskets that are from Dollar Tree as well. And here I'm just showing you how bad the pollen has been lately. I don't know about you guys, but I'm here in New York and it has been kicking my butt lately. Another tip is to make it a family affair, so you can assign one chore for your kids to do to clean the car and feel involved, and of course the husband too. I'm going to put a link down below in my description box. My husband picked up this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax, and it works so well and the shine is amazing. Another tip is to clean the inside of the car at least once a week, or that's what I've been doing, and I found that it really helps. And I'm going to say this again, I love this homemade cleaner. I really recommend you guys to make this for the inside of your car. It leaves the car feeling nice and clean. It has a subtle shine. It's not overly greasy like how Armor All can get sometimes, like very heavy and greasy. It's not like that. Another thing is to limit the food allowed in the car because that prevents 75% of the mess. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you. Now I'm going to use this turtle wax upholstery cleaner that I picked up from Target. It seemed to have worked really good on the few stains that I had on the seats. Now that the car is all clean, it's time to organize. So on the door, I just keep the hand sanitizer and some sanitizing wipes. In the back of the driver's seat, this is one of the items I picked up from Target. It has a holder for a tissue box. The top part is a little garbage, which is always good to have in the car, and a holder for either your drink or I'm going to put my umbrella there. So this is a little air freshener holder that I've had from Bath & Body Works. I put in a new refill that I had just to give the car a little extra nice smell. Here is the part that I am most excited about because I was able to create a system for the glove box. Everything now is nice and neat. This green accordion folder I found in the Dollar Tree. I was able to put all of my important receipts and papers that I need, as well as the insurance and registration, and it fit perfectly in the glove box. And here is the DIY air freshener that I made with the scent beads. I just went ahead and put it in that little thing behind the seat.
And here are those collapsible bins from the Target dollar spot. They were $3 each. They worked perfectly. And I'm just putting some stuff that I think that I will definitely be using. So we got the tire gauge. I have this pouch. I have a funnel just in case you need to put some oils in. And then the other bin, I found this picnic basket. It's collapsible from Five Below. So I figured that is always good for those impromptu picnics. I have a ball for my son, my flip-flops for when I get a pedicure. So everything that I need is handy. These shopping bags, because here in New York, they did away with plastic. So you have to bring in your own shopping bag. So it looks so much better and it's so neat. And now this is another one of my favorites. I ordered it from Amazon. I will link it for you guys below. It's just a portable car air diffuser. I use it usually in the morning on my way to work. I put a little bit of essential oil in there. That one that I used was Breathe Easy. It also changes colors for at night when you're driving, and it's so relaxing and I just love it. And I have this tissue holder also from Amazon. So here's how the middle compartment turns out. It's so nice and neat. Just remember that less is more. I'm trying to be more minimal and mindful of what I really need to keep or want. Last thing I got is this hook from Target that I just use for my purse, and it just works out perfectly, especially when you make a short stop, your purse stays in place. Last step is enjoy your clean car. I hope that you like this video. Please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon in my next one.